Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are remove dirt or stains from clothes, zoom into the dirty area of the fabric. Select the clone stamp tool with a soft brush, hold alt and sample clean fabric textures. Brush gently over the dirt to cover it. Match the fabric direction with your strokes. Adjust opacity for subtle blending. Use small strokes for line textures. Resample often for tone variation. Restore clothing folds by cloning shadows. Add highlights for depth. Zoom out and check natural fabric look. The clothing now appears clean and fresh. That's how to remove dirt using clone stamp tool in